My name's Kunal. I'm part of IOTA Labs, and we build IoT products that make home automation easy. So our first product is called DOT. It's a consumer beacon that uses precise location tracking to make your smartphone contextually aware indoors. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, we answer the basic question, which is, when I walk into a room, how can I make cool stuff happen automatically? Our customers primarily buy DOTs to leave and receive different room-specific reminders, as well as to automate their smart home devices. The latter is particularly interesting because one of the biggest problems within the smart home is that devices within it aren't actually smart. See, they have no access to information on who you are, where you are within the home, and what you're doing within the home. And without these three key pieces of data, which DOT can collect, your smart home devices will never be able to automate or offer customized hardware experiences for their individual users. Now, the best way I can demonstrate and show you what DOT does is simply to show you.
Here's your smartphone and all of its data. Some of it is important, but a lot of it is just noise. We want to help you make sense of it by putting all that information in the right place at the right time. Introducing DOT, the physical push notification that tells your phone where you are, so that it can understand your behaviors and patterns in the places that make up your life. All you have to do is download our app, place a DOT somewhere important, and watch as your smartphone sends you relevant information, streamlining and simplifying your day. Here's a few examples of what DOT can do.
So one of the cool things DOT can do is open up applications in specific rooms. So for example, New York Times, when you walk and grab some coffee, you can open up Pride and Prejudice where you left off when you sit on your favorite reading spot. One of the most popular use cases is digital Post-it notes. You can leave a note at a DOT for somebody anywhere in the world, and they'll receive that note when they walk into range. Or as one of our customers describes it, it allows you to map your mind onto the physical world. Within your home, DOT can act as your personal assistant, notifying you of information relevant on a room-specific basis. So chores in the garage. At work, it can be your personal assistant, giving you a task of actionable items when you arrive at your desk in the morning. But overall, DOT can do a lot of different stuff. One use case that wasn't present in the video is our smart home integrations. And so we've set up a demo with that light over at the end of the stage. And as I walk towards the DOT, as I walk towards the light, it's a smart light, it should turn on without any user input. There we go. And as I walk away from it, it should turn off automatically. Imagine I was walking in and out of a room. Pretty cool. So to understand our story, it's pretty important to talk about the recent traction we've experienced. Last month, we launched on Kickstarter, sold over 5,000 DOTs in 30 days to 1,700 customers, netting us a revenue over $100,000. Kickstarter liked us so much, they gave us the staff pick. We got coverage from reputable tech outlets like Mashable, who did a video on us that got over 100,000 views and 1,500 shares, beating out both Taylor Swift and Apple AirPods for the day. So that was the real victory there. A quick overview on the market. By 2020, over 50% of homes will have smart home devices in them. Our customer base, generally each customer buys 3 DOTs on average, so it gives us a pretty sizable total addressable market. To round everything off, we have our team. We've had experience at many different companies in the Valley, ranging from Twitter to Locatron to Blue Jeans to Cisco Meraki to Texas Instruments to Parker Aerospace. And that's kind of the general overview of what our company is, what it does, who we are. And I want to leave this with a final note, thanking the You Foundry. We came a year ago. We were very green, and our company would not exist without them. They're a group of very talented individuals, so if they ever ask you for money, partnership, support, throw it at them. They know what they're doing. If you're interested in buying any DOTs or investing, come talk to us after this at our table. We have a cool little easel. And thank you very much for listening.